how to add fade out effect to your voice audio on Audacity easy and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Audacity. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is go to the part that you want to add the fade out effect. I'm going to choose this part, click here, select it and click on effect and click fade out. Now as you can see, it's fading out. Let's listen. Yo. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.